Hello, in this video I will be reviewing an over-the-toilet space saver from Better Homes and Gardens. I really needed more space in my second guest bathroom, and after looking over a few options, this space saver from Better Homes and Gardens seemed the most aesthetic and easy to install option. I did not need any special tools. It seemed easy to assemble and securing to the wall, which I did not really want to do right away, was actually optional. I did not have to use a drill to secure it, and I will be considering it for the future if I want to. After installation, it looked awesome. This space saver was exactly what I wanted. I bought it at Walmart for $65, which I think was reasonably priced. In this video I will unbox, install, and give you my first impression. So let's get to it. So I really like this space saver, and I'm glad I have bought it. I think it fits perfectly and adds more comfort to the small bathroom. I hope you enjoyed this video. I wish you good luck and to consider if you need one of these for your own place. Thank you for watching.